ClickFunnels offers two types of ClickFunnels programs. We're going to find out which one of these is for you. Okay guys, so we're going to first break down what the ClickFunnels full suite is. So here we are on the ClickFunnels homepage. Now we're going to scroll down, we're going to click on start your free 14-day trial, and this will break down the standard $97 a month ClickFunnels account, and then we've got the full ClickFunnels suite account. As you can see, this one is $97 and this one is $297. So first off, if you are just signing up and you're getting a free trial, my suggestion is you might as well get the full ClickFunnels suite to kind of get your feet wet and familiar with all of the options of ClickFunnels suite. Now, there are three huge benefits of getting the ClickFunnels suite. First off, you're going to get unlimited funnels that you can build and unlimited traffic. Okay, so that is the main thing, huge extra that comes beyond the ClickFunnels standard account. The next thing is called Backpack, and Backpack lets you set up an affiliate program within your own funnel or membership course. So let's say you sell, you create your own funnel that costs $1,000 to sign up, and when they do, they become a member. Now, those that sign up and become a member, they could sell your course. In fact, I think they can still sell your course even if they're not a member, and be an affiliate for you. And essentially, you could be giving them 40% commission, but you're going to get 60%. So you're going to be getting more traffic. So that is an awesome, huge feature with Backpack. Next up is Actionetics, which is essentially just an email automation platform. They claim for it to be better than any other email integration. So it's pretty awesome to get all three of those main big features. But guys, here is my honest opinion, okay? So once again, if you're getting the 14 free days of ClickFunnels, you might as well get the full suite. But I would say to cancel it after 14 days, unless if you, of course, are making money. And that very well could happen to you. But if you currently are starting out, and you see a lot of hype with ClickFunnels, you can say, hey, you can make $4,000 a month by selling ClickFunnels, etc. You get really excited and you want to do this and you want to go all in, you want to start making money, okay? But if you currently are not making money with these funnels, don't waste an extra $200 a month. I would go back to the regular ClickFunnels account and test that out and see if you're going to be making money. Now this applies for those that literally are starting from nothing. Okay, if you're starting from nothing, maybe you have some ideas, but you haven't made any money, do not sign up for the full ClickFunnels suite, because it's just eating up an extra $200 that you really don't need. Okay, now if you have an existing business, great. But if you haven't really worked with sales funnels, I would still suggest to stick with the regular ClickFunnels account. Now, I am an affiliate for ClickFunnels, and I would get paid more, if you were signing up for the full ClickFunnels suite. But this is just my honest opinion. I care about my followers, and I don't want you to be wasting money. If you really are trying to get after this and want to see success, then start with the regular ClickFunnels account. So the main question is, well, when is it right to start using the full ClickFunnels suite? I really do think that it is great once you are making some money from the regular ClickFunnels account and you want to simplify your life, and maybe you want to grow that funnel, then ClickFunnels suite is for you, because it's going to simplify your life by having the same email configuration, everything all in one. That really is awesome. The next thing is the Backpack. Okay, you're going to be if you've got $1,000 membership or a $500 membership or whatever your price is, if you could be getting other affiliates to promote it, that's pretty awesome, because that's just going to be scaling up your business without even you having to do much marketing. So once again, guys, the overview, just get the regular ClickFunnels account if you're starting out. And as you are starting out, of course, you do want an auto email responder. So my suggestion of getting an auto email responder would be to get Active Campaign. It's one that I use. It's only $10. It's very easy. There is some people that say that Active Campaign doesn't really like affiliate marketers, but I do know of a few people that are using Active Campaign that are very much affiliate marketers and hardly have any issues or problems at all. Now, if you are very spammy, you're sending out all this amazing offers, get rich quick, make money now online, that kind of, if it comes off really spammy, then they will review it and then you can talk to them. But one of my good buddies that does this all the time says that he only had one review and he resolved it, just had to change a wording, and that was it. So I'd use Active Campaign as an auto email responder. I'd get ClickFunnels. So right there, that's $107, maybe let's say $110, okay, versus the $297. If you want a custom email domain and also a custom domain website, a great resource is going to bluehost.com. I think you can get a hosting service for, I think, like starting at $4 a month. And then, of course, you can buy your domain there or on ClickFunnels. So literally you guys can get off the ground running with a custom email that's going to look professional. It's going to be automated. You're going to have sales funnels, and you can build a website either with ClickFunnels, or if you're going to do the Bluehost thing, you can build a site using WordPress. All of that is going to be, $120 max to get started. Now that is much better than spending $300. Okay, so that is my honest opinion. But if you'd like to see, if you're just signing up for ClickFunnels, I probably would try the 14 days with the full ClickFunnels suite, but just set an alarm to swap it back to the regular ClickFunnels maybe within 13 days. So guys, that is my opinion. That's all I've got for you today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. If you want to be notified when they come out, tip that bell icon. And guys, please visit my website below where I give a free guide to sales funnels and to ClickFunnels and affiliate marketing, all that good stuff. It's just right down below. It's startfunnels.com/guide. Okay guys, thank you. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you on the next video.